Hello and welcome to Junaids Maths. Today I will be showing you how to solve a simple equation. I have shown two examples in front of you. The first example is with a plus sign or a positive operator. The second example has a bar in it, or this example is with the division. Now I'll show you how we can simply solve this equation in one step. The first key thing to keep in mind will be not to use the mental math skill, because otherwise you will get stuck in the further complicated equations. So please try to pick up a habit from the easier equations to use a particular method to solve it rather than using the mental math skill. Now here, if you see, this is x plus 44 equals 49. Now one would say that something added 44 equals 49, which is absolutely fine. And they will try to do trial and error, and they will say, okay, let's add 1 into this, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, this skill will not be useful in a higher level algebra. Now, let's quickly go ahead and solve this equation with the reverse or balancing the equation method. Here you can see is plus 44, and we're going to do reverse operation. That means just the opposite sign of plus. So let's do minus 44 on this side. Now, because it's an equation, we need to keep both sides balanced. We must do the same thing on the other side. And our purpose to do that, minus 44 or any other reverse operation, is to actually get to x. And if I say on the left hand side, in this case we have x, we must get rid of any other numbers which are on the left hand side. So we only have one number, that's why it's called a one step equation. So what we're going to do, we are going to do the opposite, minus 44, and what will we get here? On the left hand side will just be an x. Now on the other hand, we had 49, and if we do minus 44 from it, we will get a 5. Now, if we see that's x equals 5, that means this is the solution. That's why we call solving an equation. Now, here, if I use the x value and put it back into the equation, 5 plus 44 equals 49. So that solution is true, or 5 is the actually answer to this x here. On the other hand, here we now have a second example, equation 2. In equation 2, we have a bar here, that means a division sign. Now because we're going to do the reverse operation, remember the opposite to divide is times. So we're going to times 5 on the left hand side, and we're going to times 5 on the right hand side. And if we times 5 on this side, as you know, it's divide and times with the same amount, we will be left with only x on the left hand side. Now going to the right hand side, that's 3 times 5, which will give us 15. So that was one step equation. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will be notified of my new videos. There will be more videos you can watch on step 2 and 3 equations, and they are on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.